Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be going through one of my neighbors. Brought this over just a couple weeks ago. His old tech. By the way, thank you guys so much for the support with the 50 subscribers. I really do appreciate it. Anyways, let's get into the video. Come on. Oh, he's right there. He's right there. He's right there. Let's go. By the way, it's an overall look of what we're going with here. As you can see, we got lizards, hard plastics, and other soft plastic creature baits, and some lures. Yeah. This is a Plano tackle box, and I'm just gonna see what's inside it. And by the looks of it, it's pretty old. It looks about 10 years old, at least. But let's get into it. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is pretty old and unorganized. It's got a bunch of... Got a pretty good collection though. Hard plastics. Oh, here's a clean one. Also got this. This one's pretty new. Excuse me, sorry. Let's see. Got this one, which is nice. And then we also have some random worms. Well, creatures, in other words, like some lizards. So, yeah. Nothing really too interesting about that one. Now I'm gonna go to the bottom half of it, which I'm kind of scared about, because looking at the top half, he's not too organized about any of it. But we're just gonna see. Yeah. This is gonna be... Yeah, I mean, he does have... Well, never mind. Let's try to unhook this thing. He has a hard plastic with a buzz bait on it. But he also has... Let's see. I don't even know how to, like... Yeah, no. He has this other hard plastic. Right here is like the biggest one I've seen so far. Big hooks. And then, once again, some more. Well, this one's like half chopped off. There was also a bag right here. Looks deceiving. It has, yeah, a lot of just different colors, different types of worms. We have sort of fluke, kind of like a the paddle tail. What do I call this? Like a rage swimmer, you know, like Stephen King's rage swimmers. And we also got some different types of worms and stuff. Yeah, just a bunch of old stuff. And then, last but not least, oh, that does not look too good at all. Explain to me how this happens when you leave a tackle box in for like over 10 years at least. Yeah. We're just gonna set that back down. But on the other side, it does have I'm not gonna look at that, but it does have some more hard plastics and soft plastics and some, let's see, flukes with a hook in it. And this mouse with a lizard attached to it. Wow, I've never seen a mouse as a lure, but I mean, I guess they might work. I mean, if you guys know anything about if mouse lures work at all, I will definitely try them out. But yeah, that's all of it. I mean, it's pretty old. The only thing I might reuse in this tackle box is probably gonna have to be definitely not the bottom half. That did not look too good. That looked pretty scary. But probably this white hard plastic. This thing, it's not too bad. It's clean. It's got a couple dirt spots, but I can wash it off. But I mean, hey, it's pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm also gonna use this hard plastic too. Got a silver look to it. I'm gonna have to also clean this up. Probably gonna replace the hooks too, because they're pretty dirty. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. And well, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.